Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be discussing bi-amping or bi-wiring. Are these actually beneficial or are these just buzzwords? So let's get to it. So when can you consider bi-amping or bi-wiring? If and only if you have double binding posts like this, then you can consider bi-wiring or bi-amping. The first one is bi-wiring. Now, the idea of bi-wiring is basically to separate the high frequencies from the low frequencies. You can use two cables from the same amplifier and connect one set of cables to the woofer and the other set of cables to your tweeter. The idea over here is to reduce interference between the frequencies. The result, on the other hand, is debatable at best. Most blind tests show no improvement in audio quality. Now, let's see what biamping is all about. Now, biamping uses separate amplifiers for highs and lows. In this case, there are real benefits. The real benefits include less distortion, more power per driver, better control, and dynamics. Now, biamping are of different types over here. The first one is horizontal biamping. That means you have one amp for the highs and then you have a separate amp for the lows. Vertical biamping, on the other hand, means that you have one single amplifier per channel. So that means one stereo amp per speaker, which means there will be better separation and imaging. Now, biamping also includes how you use your crossover. In the case of speakers, they usually have a passive crossover. If you want to extract the most out of biamping, then you have to use active crossovers as well. So that means biamping can be further divided into active biamping and passive biamping. Now let's look at what are the differences between biamping and bi-wiring. Bi-wiring, if you have the bind post to support it, then you can use bi-wiring very cheaply. You just have to take a couple of wires extra and then connect them. This is cheap, affordable, and you don't have to buy any expensive gear for this. Please do not do that. In most cases, you will not notice a difference. Biamping, on the other hand, if you do that right, then your gains can be considerable. You'll notice tighter bass, cleaner highs, and less strain at higher volumes. Now, you can try bi-wiring if you are curious or you just want to try something new with your speakers, but don't expect any real world gains. The gains that you might listen to are mostly psychological over here or a placebo effect, but biamping, on the other hand, will give you real gains if done right. So do this if you have an extra amp or you have power hungry speakers or you want maximum fidelity out of your speakers. So let me know in the comment section below if you've done biamping or bi-wiring and if you've heard a difference in either one of them, if it is useful at all.